Today on What It Looks Like, we are going to give DiGiorno's Pizza another shot. Now, I'm all about second chances. That first DiGiorno's Pizza, it wasn't really like that. But I'm like, you know what? I'm not even gonna tell you. I'm gonna put a link to it right here so that way you can check it out for yourself. I don't want to give you any spoilers. You go ahead and check it out. I almost gave you a spoiler, but I'm not gonna do it. But we're gonna give them another shot. This one's DiGiorno, and this one's they call it a Carnivore pizza. And look at that. Now that looks delicious. This is what attracted me to it in the first place. I saw it, I was like, wow, that box looks really good. And so, of course, that's how they get you though. That's how they get you, is that they make the box look so great, you just have to buy it. But I'm gonna buy it for you and let you know whether you should buy it or not. So this one's called Carnivore. It's got pepperoni, sausage, ham, beef pizza topping, pepperoni made with pork, chicken and beef sausage made with beef and chicken. And it says it is ultra thin. It claims to have toppings from edge to edge. So we're gonna see it all out today on what it looks like. And as always, I'm gonna show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started today with DiGiorno Carnivore Pizza on what it looks like.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Hey, what it looks like? Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like? Hey, what it looks like?
Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. All right, let's get this box open. Now this is a huge box. It's got 3 individually wrapped pizzas in here. Now I bought this from Sam's Club. It was $14.68. So for 3 pizzas, that's less than $5 a pizza. So that's not too bad. But let's see how it looks. Okay, 3 individually wrapped pizzas. I mean, it looks like it has toppings from edge to edge. We'll see. This one's got a lot of pepperoni on there, so that's good. It says to remove the plastic and the cardboard from here. So we're actually going to cook this pizza directly on the rack of the oven. Don't put it on a baking sheet or anything like that. It's got to go directly on the rack of the oven. That's it. And it is really thin too. I hope I don't drop any crumbs, but look at that crust. It is really thin, just like it said, ultra thin even. Now, I don't know if it has enough cheese on there. We'll see. But that's how it looks. So let's go ahead and get it cooked up. Be careful putting this in there that you don't touch the rack. It is hot. And I always drop some cheese on here, just like the last time. Question is, how do you get it out since it's sitting on the rack? So I'm gonna use 2 spatulas to grab it from either side, like this. Then you can get it out just like that. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. 9 servings per container, serving size 1/3 pizza, calories per serving 380, total fat 23 grams, saturated fat 9 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 50 milligrams, sodium 950 milligrams, total carbohydrates 24 grams, dietary fiber 2 grams, total sugars 3 grams, protein 18 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is extra crispy compared to the box here. Now in the box, it does look somewhat crispy, but notice the edges, how they are nowhere near as curled or brown as what you see in real life. Look at that, it's all curled up. That's not really a problem though. You kind of want your pizza to be a little bit crispy when it's thin and crispy. But look at the amount of toppings on there. That is quite a bit of toppings on there, just like what you see here on the box. I mean, they definitely said it was loaded, so I can agree with that. but they do have more ham on the box than what you see in real life. Look, I only see 1, 2, I just see a few pieces. Well, here's some right here, so it's more embedded within it, whereas on the box it looks like they may have taken the ham and then sprinkled it on top of the pizza once it was done. You can definitely tell that because it's nowhere near as baked into the pizza as what you see here. But other than that, the cheese looks good. It has an ample amount of pepperonis on there, just like what you see. But notice how dark this pizza is compared to what you see on the box. And their pizza, if they follow the instructions, I'm not sure what kind of oven they have, because this right here is only at 10 minutes long, whereas the box said to do it for 12 minutes. So you can see if I had put it in for another 2 minutes, it'd be a lot darker, maybe even burnt compared to what you see on the box. So I would recommend that you only do it for 10 minutes versus 12 minutes based on your oven. But my oven, it would have been burnt. Otherwise though, I can say it looks really decent. It actually looks very nice. I can't wait to dig into it. What it smells like. Oh man, it smells like a traditional pizza, that's for sure. You smell the cheese, the pepperoni, everything smells really good. I mean, it smells delicious. There's no doubt about it that it smells good. Now, does it smell like, say, a Pizza Hut, a Papa John's? No. I feel like DIGIORNO has its own kind of distinctive smell to it, which is not a bad thing. But it also does remind me of a frozen pizza. Like if it wasn't DIGIORNO and it was some other kind of pizza, I think it would smell very similar to this one. But I mean, the sausage smells really good. I have no problems at all with the way it smells. I think it smells delightful. I think it smells delightful. Moment of truth. Now I do love a thin crust pizza because mainly you can taste all the toppings on top. It's not a whole lot of breading or dough to get kind of interfere with the cheese and the sausage and all that. That's supposed to blend so well together. So I really do like a thin crust pizza. Let's see how this one's gonna taste. Here we go. It's not bad. It's definitely missing some cheese. It could be a little cheesier, that's for sure. I do like the way it tastes. Like this pepperoni, but you know what? It kind of tastes a little salty. Like a little, maybe it has too much seasoning or something that's making it taste salty. Let me get this pepperoni right here. See the seasoning on there? So all of that is like throughout the whole thing. So I think that's making it taste a little bit salty. But I do like the way it tastes. But you gotta add some cheese to it because normally when you have a thin crust pizza and you separate it, you pick it up from the other pizzas, like you have a string of cheese that's hanging down. There's none of that here at all. Like you can even barely see the cheese on here in some places. So taste, okay, needs more cheese for sure. Needs more cheese and maybe less of the seasoning so that it doesn't taste salty. Because you know it definitely tastes saucy. I would recommend probably just drinking some water with this. Don't even bother getting juices and stuff like that. Just get you some water because you're gonna need the water for the sodium. Water for sodium, that's what you're gonna need. The sauce, the tomato sauce is good too. Overall, I like it. I think I can eat it. I'm not sure how many slices I can eat because like I said, I feel like it has a lot of sodium in it. But I think it's an okay pizza. Each one costs under $5, so it's not bad. You know, maybe it's better for kids than it is for adults. I think adults may not be as satisfied as say someone had a kids party and they had some pizza. This would be fine for the kids, but as far as grown-ups, maybe continue to make your own pizza. Maybe that may be even better, a better option. So I just don't know, DiGiorno. I just don't know. I mean, I had such high hopes. It always looks so great on the box. I mean, it looks, look at how thick the cheese looks on the box. Now, it was definitely not like that especially once I started to eat it. So I don't know, DiGiorno. Maybe pizza's not your thing. maybe try a different market. I know you've been in this market for a while, but maybe it's time to try something else. But that's what I think on what it looks like.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 7. Next up is taste. 6. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 7. Thank you for watching another one of our What It Looks Like videos. We are committed to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below, and if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant, but we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.